Hello students, we are going to start the experiment of PM, PPM and PWM. Here is the location where I have already set up all the required component, kit and instrument. So the instrument required is CRO and there is a kit nearby it. So these are the various probe which is used to connect the CRO and kit. Now let us look at the kit. So here, if we see, the kit is ST2110 number, PM, PPM, PWM, modulation and demodulation trainer kit. If we have a look closely, we can find the table like pulse output, function generator, then PM modulation, then PP modulation, then PW modulation, low pass filter, AC amplifier. Here are some switch fault, the DC output, audio input and the audio output. So we will perform the experiment one by one, PM, PPM and PWM. So today we are going to see the pulse width modulation. So in pulse width modulation, the pulse width is going to change as per the change in the input signal amplitude value. Here our input signal will be the analog signal and carrier signal will be the digital carrier pulse. So now let us come to the kit and let us see the block diagram. So this section is for the pulse width modulation. You can see it requires two input. One is a pulse input which is a carrier. The other is a modulating input signal which is our input signal, and here it will be the analog signal. So I will give analog signal from this side and the pulse signal from this side. We are having a 4 option available: 8 kHz, 16 kHz, 32 kHz and 64 kHz. So I can choose any carrier signal and I will select the sine wave information modulating signal from this pin. So now let me have the connection. First I will connect the CRO probe. One is for the input signal, other is for the output signal. Now let me on the kit, I have kept the switch on for okay. So now first I will connect here in the kit. First I will provide the pulse input. So I will give the 8 kHz pulse, so which is very clear. The other thing is the input signal. So I will give input from this side. So input is given. Now from this point we will get the output. So let us see the input first. Using the black point connected to the ground and the other point connected to the input signal. So here the input signal is there. Let me observe it. So you can see in the screen the input signal is available. So now I will go for the carrier signal. So if you want to see how the carrier signal look like, you can see the carrier signal is a pulse. So first I will show you the carrier signal. So okay, so black one is connected to the ground and in red we will see the carrier signal. So first I will show you the 8 kHz. You can see the pulse are there. These are the carrier signal. The pulse impulse is there. Then 60 kHz, then 32 kHz and then 64 kHz. So what I will do, I will provide one carrier over here and I will observe the output now. So here we can see the pulse width modulation. Now let me make it clear so you can have some good visualization. So here what I will do, I will just expand the signal. Let me increase the amplitude and now let me show you the signal. Let me make it stop. So now here you can see the pulse width. Let me move the signal. I am moving the signal. Here the amplitude is lower, so pulse width is lower. Now let me show you. As I move over here, over the other side, the pulse width is increasing. You can clearly see the change in pulse width. So here again amplitude is increasing, so pulse width is higher. So let me again make it stop. Again I will go this side. So here the pulse width is again increasing. Now look at these three samples. Here the amplitude is less, so pulse width is less. Here the amplitude is somewhat higher, so you can see the pulse width is increasing. And the third one, again the amplitude is higher, so pulse width is increasing. So here in pulse width modulation, you can see this kind of changes. You can again see the pulse width, you can verify. There is a lots of change in the pulse width. Yes, I can accommodate 2 signal over here. Yeah. So now you can see the pulse width. Okay. So this is how it is going to change the pulse width. Thank you.